Hi, welcome to today's Excel tip. The tip today is generating random numbers. At times, you want to try and practice Excel or you want to project values, and in this, you might need to generate random numbers. Here is a table with country, quarters, products, and I'm going to generate random sales. The formula uses the rand, R-A-N-D, and you can close parentheses. But rand normally generates a number between 0 and 1. So the only way I can overcome this is by multiplying the random number that's generated by 100, and that will give me a number between 0 and 100. So I can drag this down and I can get random numbers to use in my computation. Another way to generate random numbers is to specify the upper and lower limits using the rand between. So equal to rand between. So generate random numbers between two parameters, the bottom number and the top number. So let's say the lower limit is $100, the upper limit is $900. So this will generate a number between 100 and 900. So this is a nice trick, two nice tricks in creating random numbers in Excel. Try it out and let us know how you see it.